Kosh Soul Retreat is a luxury resort located at the foothills of Nandi Hills, offering a perfect blend of tranquility and natural beauty. The resort is around 2 years old and currently features 14 rooms. The restaurant is relatively small, but it is well managed as the resort typically hosts a limited number of guests at a time. The swimming pool is located right next to the restaurant. While it's a bit small, an expansion in the future would be a great addition. The food was excellent with a good presentation. All meals they served are a la carte. These are some of the dishes I ordered. They have 4 room categories: Bloom, Vista, Watchtower first floor and Watchtower ground floor. The Watchtower first floor rooms come with a jacuzzi and a private balcony that offers stunning views of Nandi Hills. These rooms are approximately 450 square feet. The doors can be changed from transparent to opaque with the click of a button. The Bloom and Vista rooms feature a private garden with a daybed, swing and a serene water body, perfect for relaxing outdoors. These rooms are approximately 500 square feet. All rooms include a private jacuzzi, adding to the luxurious experience. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. The resort offers a variety of activities including painting, pottery, an open-air movie experience, a nature walk around the property, and a morning hike to Nandi Hills. Painting and pottery sessions take place during high tea from 5:15 to 6:15 pm. The hike to Nandi Hills starts early in the morning at 5:30 am, while the nature walk is conducted at 7:30 am. Birdwatching enthusiasts will love this place as you can spot a variety of beautiful birds around the property. Overall, I had an amazing stay here and would love to visit again. The hospitality was outstanding since all the staff made us feel warmly welcomed throughout our stay. Although the property is small, it is extremely well maintained. The rooms are luxurious and thoughtfully designed, ensuring a comfortable and relaxing experience. Kosh Soul Retreat is the perfect weekend getaway from Bangalore, offering a blend of luxury, nature, and peace. I highly recommend this property to anyone looking for a premium yet serene retreat.